Welcome back. The National Green Tribunal has set aside a Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority order with regards to Vedanta Group. Iron ore miner Seza Goa was facing allegation that they had illegally expanded its jetties set up for loading ore in the northern district of the state.
A bench headed by Tribunal Chairperson Justice Swatantra Kumar set aside the March 2011 directions of the authority to the company to stop all activity over the alleged illegal part of the jetties and to remove the unauthorized extended portions, saying the order was violation of principles of natural justice. The tribunal verdict says there has been denial of fair opportunity to the applicants. The principles of natural justice have been violated. We set aside the order dated March 4th, 2011. We grant liberty to the authority to commence its proceedings from the stage of show cause notices and proceed in accordance with the directions aforecontained. The bench also observed that there was non-application of mine by the GCZMA and added that we are unable to hold that the procedure adopted by the authorities completely eliminates the element of arbitrariness. The tribunal set aside the authority's decision after observing that the GCZMA had never conducted an inspection to see if there was any unauthorized expansion of the jetties, nor had it supplied to the companies all the material it had relied upon to pass the March 2011 order. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Tourist taxi owners at Kalangut have created an uproar over a Goan guidebook which shows taxi business in Goa in bad light. MLA Michael Lobo had to intervene to control the situation. The editor of that particular guidebook apologized and assured to delete the controversial part. Later, taxi owners ghered out MLA Rohan Khote's office demanding an explanation over his jibes on taxi business along with other 3 MLAs in the assembly. Khote confronted the crowd and cleared that nothing objectionable was said about taxi owners.
North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association expressed their outburst against an item published in Goa guidebook known as Goa Traveller. Taxi owners claim that the article printed will hamper their business and display the taxi owners in a bad light.
डबल चार्ज करता बुराक पडटलो हे जेन्ना आमी वाचले तेन्ना आमी चिंतले की आमच्या बिझनेसाक इतके बरोवपाक इतले हार्ड डिसिजन घेवपाक हो विला न्हू कोण न्हू.
Taxi owners were already fuming over some negative remarks passed by 4 MLAs during assembly session few days back. They have threatened to stage a dharna in front of assembly complex if justice is delayed.
आमचेर जे हे जाल्ले बदनामीचे 4 जाणांनी कावच घातला तेजेर हेणी उत्तर दिवचें ना जाल्यार पलाशे फुडल्यान उपोषण सगळे करतले.
MLA Michael Lobo's intervention controlled the situation.
कित्याक टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर 100 वा 200 रुपयाक अमीर जावपाचे ना. हो जे कोण रॉंग मेसेज धाडटा की ते लुटता गोंयान ते कोणाकूच तो हे कोण लुटना. लुटता कोण ते सगळे जाण जाणा.
Finally, editor of the Goa Traveller apologized in front of taxi owners for the controversial data printed in the guidebook.
I really apologize for this. I'm ready to correct, but whatever means I know that taxi drivers ekut bhade mata disapse and they are like full day sitting in the hot sun, very difficult for them.
The taxi drivers and association members later ghered out Porvorim MLA Rohan Khote's office. Association was upset on Khote's assembly jibes against taxi business.
लुटेरे कोणे समज मळला ते दाखवचे तुम्ही कोणे मळला पेपरा प्रमाणे वचना का आम्ही पेपरा प्रमाणे वचना का तुमका मीडिया हेज कवर्ड असेंब्लीचे गोष्टी अशो भायर उलोवपाच्यो नासता पण तरी तुम्ही काढला प्रश्न तुम्ही असेंब्लीचे पळय आणि कोणे लुटेरे म्हणला ते म्हणा तुम्ही आता म्हाका जे भायर हांगा गाळ्यो घाल्या सारक्यो सर हांवें तुमकां कितें म्हणलां सर आमच्या खातीर तुमी जटा आमी तुमच्या कडल्यान आसतले हांव तुमच्या बरोबर आसा एका लागून आता जे आमचे कडल्यानूय कितें जालें न्हू आमची अपॉलॉजीज आमी मान्य करता पूण तुमी हे सगळ्या उतरी पळय सांगलें न्हू आता सगळ्यांकूय बरें दिसलें न्हू तुमी कितें इश्यू करून तेच सांगता मरे तुमकां आणि हाज्या फुडें तुमचे कसले बाकीचे प्रश्न आसा तुम्ही पद्धतशीर कमिटी वायज घेवन या कितें सारकें आसा तुमच्या रावन करून घेवपाची प्रयत्न म्हजो आसतलो.
Shyam Sundar Fatte with Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Youth Congress held its Adhikar Jagriti Yatra on Saturday. It is a rally to bring awareness among people on various schemes by the UPA-led government. North Goa is selected for pilot phase for selection on Aadhaar card and direct benefits transfer scheme. This rally will conclude on Sunday at Sakri.
Adhikar Jagruti Yatra was held on Saturday in first half of North Goa. It was a motorbike rally to bring awareness about Aadhaar card and direct benefit transfer scheme.
ही आमचे अवेरनेस करपाक आमी केल्या गोवा प्रदेशान की आमचे UPA काँग्रेस लेड गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां DBT डायरेक्ट बेनिफीट ट्रान्सफर ही स्कीम दिली आसा जे लोकांक न्ही डायरेक्टली आतां पयशे तांचे वाया आधार कार्डाचे लिंकेज आसतली बँक अकाउंटा थ्रू जे पयशे येतले सो ही अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम आमची पार्टीक आमी प्रमोट करपा खातीर हो आयज अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम आमी घडोवन आयला 2 दिसांचो एंड आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी that the youth of Goa and all of us are really enthusiastic about this rally.
The rally will commence from Mapsa and will go through areas of TV, Aldona, Maye, Bicholi and conclude at Sakli. Youth are asked to compulsorily wear helmets. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Chikali Hospital is lying unattended since long. There is no surgeon, no orthopedic doctor and no X-ray technicians posted in the hospital. The medical waste is lying in a pit without being treated. Government is planning to upgrade the Chikali Hospital to 125-bedded hospital, but the medical authorities have demanded an urgent need of doctors and technicians in the hospital.
चिखले कॉटेज हॉस्पिटलान एक्सरे मशीन आसा हांगसर मुरगांव तालुक्यात ऑर्थोपेडीक पेशंट खूब आसा फ्रॅक्चर जावन एक्सिडंट जावन हांगसर पेशंट खूब येता पूण हांगसर एक्सरे मशीन आसा पूण हांगसर एक्सरे चलोवपी टेक्निशियन ना
एक्सरे टेक्निशियन जी रिटायर्ड जाल्या शी इज विलिंग टू वर्क हियर ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीस आनी ती हांगाच चिखले रावता म्हणून ती सामकी बऱ्या पडटलें लोकांकूय ऑड आवर्स शी कॅन कम एंड टेक एक्सरे म्हणून ती सामकी सद्या बेकार आसा ती म्हणटा आनी शी इज कॉम्पिटंट इनफ.
The hospital caters to hundreds of people with casualty every day, but there is no surgeon in the hospital, due to which the patients are referred to other hospitals.
In fact, हांवें 2-3 फावटी रिक्वेस्ट केलें आनी म्हगेली रिक्वेस्ट चालू आसा टू पोस्ट अ सर्जन or at least post a surgeon from hospicio twice a week to cater the needs of the people. आमकां मायनर सर्जरी लागून आमकां पेशंट हॅज टू बी रिफर्ड मेजर कॅज्युअलिटी जे आसा ते आनी विचार करूंकच नाका वी हॅव टू straight away after doing first aid we have to refer.
However, authorities are denying presence of medical waste in the open.
जे पळय आमकां सॉलीड वेस्ट आसता तो सगळो आमची म्युनिसिपालिटी व्हरता कळ्ळें आनी जो पळय प्लासेंटा आनी गॉज बी आसा ते आमी ट्रीट इट विथ सोडियम सल्फायड आनी मागीर आमी सोडियम बायसल्फायड मागीर आमी ते उडयतात पिठान.
Reporter Suren Madkaikar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.